to install the side rails, you want to make sure that these hooks are facing down. They're going to hook into the side wall of the oven cavity. You're going to line them up front and back and push down. You're going to repeat the process for the other side. You're going to line it up front and back and push down. Make sure it's securely in place. Now you want to put your oven rack in. This back lip has to be facing the back of the oven cavity. This smaller lip will be towards the front. If you put them in backwards, you'll have a tough time sliding them in and out. You want to push it in, go past the stop, and then slide it all the way in. Make sure that you have no problems pulling it out and pushing it back.